We're in the East Village and we're gonna go get some cannolis now. Hi guys, we live in the East Village, so we just walked here, but you can take the 6th Street to Astor Place.
Hi. Hello.
Get me in the picture. You want to get me in the picture?
Hay que ser poco contra la clase, nos vemos la última semana, la próxima semana. Está bien. Hemos visto.
It's just a short walk from Astor Place to East 11th Street.
You can take Stuyvesant Street, which cuts diagonally over to East 11th Street.
This is Casey's Rubber Stamps on East 11th Street. They make their own rubber stamps on the premises, and they use real maple wood. We really love their custom ones too.
They have a nice little table out front where you can try the rubber stamps, and Casey always has some Irish music playing inside. It's just a great place.
And it's been in business since 1977. Hi, John. Good. Now we're at Venieros Pasticerria and Cafe, which has been in business in the East Village since 1894. We not only love their pastries, but we fell in love with their vintage neon sign, which was installed in the 1940s. The business was founded by an Italian immigrant, Antonio Veniero, who came from Vico Equense, which is in Sorrento, Italy. They're best known for their traditional Italian butter cookies, their cheesecakes, and their cannolis. Everything is baked right on the premises using the freshest ingredients. They sell so many cookies and cakes and pastries that they typically use like over 1,000 pounds of sugar every week. We, of course, are really big fans of their vanilla cannolis. B65.
Okay, I'll do.
Venieros has retained much of its original interior, including its hand-stamped metal ceilings, terrazzo floors, wood display cases for their cookies and biscuits, and the back counter mirrors. They most recently added a big cafe, so you can sit down and eat. You don't only have to take things out.
Today we got a classic cannoli and a chocolate-covered cannoli. You could say at one time I had a serious cannoli problem. Enrico Caruso and Frank Sinatra were famous patrons, and they also loved the cannolis.
Delicious as always. Now we're going to go right next door to Russo's. Russo's is a homemade mozzarella and pasta place that's been in business since 1908. Basically has kind of like a symbiotic relationship with Venieros. Customers who go to Venieros and buy their pastries then go next door and they get some pasta and homemade mozzarella for dinner that night. Now we're going to take a little tour inside. When they first opened, they sold only 2 types of pasta, a meat-filled ravioli and a cheese-filled ravioli. Now they have over 40 different types of different pastas, ravioli, cavatelli, gnocchi, really everything.
They make a really great sandwich at lunchtime. You can buy one and split it if there's 2 of you.
Yeah, we really like their caprese sandwich, which has like homemade mozzarella and some of their
sun-dried tomatoes.
Yeah, we love those sun-dried tomatoes and olive oil. It's really, really delicious. And pesto sauce too, right?
Yeah, and it's a really nice roll.
Now we're going to take a short walk along First Avenue to the next block, East 12th Street. We're going to visit a pizzeria. Along the way, you'll see some great street art from Shepherd Ferry and Cobra, so check it out. this is Motorino Pizzeria, which is a $15,000 wood-burning Acunta oven, which was handcrafted in Naples out of brick and covered in tiles. They're best known for their margarita pizza, definitely, which is the top seller. But what really put them on the map was their Brussels sprout pizza. It has fior di latte, garlic, pecorino, smoked pancetta, and Brussels sprout leaves with extra virgin olive oil. It's really delicious. We're gonna go inside and eat, but first we have to drop off our dog at our apartment. I hope you enjoyed this first video.
Yeah, hopefully we're going to be getting better and better as we go along.
Yeah, so definitely follow us along on the YouTube channel. And the next one, we're going to do something a little different from our usual visits to storefronts. We're actually going to visit the brand new Statue of Liberty Museum and also visit Ellis Island and some abandoned areas of it.
Yep, bye. See you later.
Bye.